Hello everyone. Today we will see varieties of tomato. Angur Lata, kitchen garden variety of tomato. Pusa hybrid one, high temperature and good for transport. Pusa Shital, low temperature varieties of tomato. Pusa Sadabahar, low and high temperature 8 to 30 degrees centigrade. Hissar Arun, extremely early variety of tomato. पुसा रुबी, अर्का सौरभ, अर्का आझाद, पुसा बहार, पुसा दिव्या, अर्का विकास, बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, indeterminate variety of tomato. Marvel, best of all, Moneymaker, Roma, Lobinita, Ageti, Tip Top, introduced from USA. Pusa Rohini, long distance transport processing variety. Flavor Savers, transgenic variety of tomato. Subscribe my channel and see